皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am a Japanese tutor, Ayana. 今回のレッスンでは、今まで勉強したものをクイズでテストしてみましょう。In this lesson, we have been studying in the last few weeks and then the particle let's put together to do some mini test to check your understanding. Let's get started. これは練習問題です。This is a quiz. 練習問題 is a 練習 means a quiz. Practice 問題 is a question. So, what particle do you put in the sentence? いいえ from something 勉強する。I will show you the kanji as well. I have got a request. Someone requested kanji. So, yep. いいえ something 勉強する。What do you think? The answer is で。家で勉強する。Repeat after me. 家で勉強する。はい。So that means 家 means a house. There is an action happening in the place. Then 勉強する is study. So I will study at home. Okay, so number 2. 旅行。好き。What the particle do you put with 好き？旅行ですか？旅行。then 好き。The answer is が好き。So we use が好き。I like traveling. Repeat after me. 旅行が好き。はい。3番。うち。something 帰る。漢字はこれ。うち。帰る。What particle do you put? The answer is うちに帰る。or うちへ帰る。Either is fine. へ or に indicate a destination. So that means I'll go home. 4番。This is カタカナジュース。Then something particle 飲む。The kanji for 飲む is this kanji. 飲む。What particle do you use? The answer is を飲む。The particle を function is indicate the object. So the action towards to the object. Repeat after me. ジュースを飲む。はい。So I drink juice. 5番。Question 5. 家 something 午後7時 This pronunciation 7 o'clock is pronunciation 7時 instead of 7時 Okay? Then another one more particle. Then 勉強する What particle those two do you use? これ漢字です。家午後7時ここね、漢字じゃなくて、普通の数字入れました。Instead of 7 kanji, I used 7 because this one writing style, left to right. So I just used the regular one. Then 勉強する。The answer is 家で午後7時に勉強する。So this de is at. Then this ni is at the time, indicate the time. Repeat after me. 家で午後7時に勉強する。はい、Next. 6番。Question 6. 6番。私 something 京都 something お土産 something. So those three. So I'll be souvenir in Kyoto. So 私、I'll show you 漢字。私、京都、お土産、買います。What particles do you use? The answer is 私は京都でお土産を買います。This one indicates the subject. There is place indicator. What is object? Okay? Repeat after me. 私は京都でお土産を買います。はい。Repeat after me. 私は京都でお土産を買います。はい。Question 7. スコットさん、something 京都。お土産を買います。So this one, compared to previous one, I used the in Kyoto, but this one I wanted to introduce souvenir from Kyoto. Okay. This is a 漢字。京都お土産買いますね。The answer is スコットさんも京都のお土産を買います。So let's relate it to previous question 6 and question 7. So it's like that's why I introduced the more here. But if you use wa, it's also okay if it's not related to previous topic. スコットさんも京都のお土産。So this no is meaning is a souvenir from Kyoto. So this no is as well because the number 6 question, previous question, they use the same action, which is お土産を買う. Buy souvenir is the same action. That's why I use the more here. No, it's a possession. So actually, literally, the souvenir お土産 belong to the in Kyoto. Let's practice. Repeat after me. スコットさんも京都のお土産を買います。One more time. スコットさんも京都のお土産を買います。はい。Okay, so one more question. 8番 question 8. 10月 something 友達 something 誕生日がある。10月 something 友達誕生日がある。So if you want to have a friend's birthday in October. これ漢字ですね。10月友達誕生日。誕生日 is birthday 誕生日。The answer is、10月に友達の誕生日がある。So, に indicate the time. The time means can be specific time, can be month, can be year. Okay, so this one month. So, 10月に So, 月に By the way, some people, some students mixed up 月、月 But when you specify October, September, it's 月, not 月 Okay? Kanji is the same, but this is the pronunciation 月ね not 月友達の is friends. So this no is my friends. So it's just the S here. So my friend's birthday. Garu means garu is quite a lot of meaning depends on the context. In this one, I have can be I have a plan as well. I have a plan for my friend's birthday. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. 10月に友達の誕生日がある。はい。One more time. 10月に友達の誕生日がある。はい。Okay, so we have practiced the quiz. How did it go? クイズ、どうでしたか？全部合ってましたか？ Did you get all correct? Even if you made mistakes, that's okay. You can go back to revisit the other lesson video to more understanding. Okay. The important thing is keep practicing, keep studying. Okay. So I will see you next time. またね